Bro, that shit is hard, dog. That color? You chose that color or they?
Yeah, I chose it. Yeah. I chose it, yeah. Because I could have picked through any color that they had, but I feel like that was like that color with the BBSs. I feel like it would look crazy. And I feel like it was going to show the body line crazy. That's how it would look.
Nah, it looks crazy.
Oh, it looks crazy. Well, honestly, like everything is better because it's lowered perfect. The BBS, you can't go wrong with those.
Yeah, probably like end of summer I'll do a turbo. I got to sell the G80 though after, but I want to have fun with the G80.
Hell no, what the
Let's out of nowhere, I just make like $1 billion or something, then y'all keep up. But start racing, just be running up the money real quick. Just twin turbo the car.
We just finished the PPF, right? We did PPF to it. Insane color. Hopefully Ray likes the outcome of it. It's about to be done.
Oh my god.
The original color was nice, but you can see the body line.
More on this. Oh my god. But this fitment on this car is. A lot of you guys telling me not to badge it. I just left the R8 badge. I think it just looks cleaner.
Come on, clean out.
Oh yeah. This shit's
hard, bro. Oh, that. See how far it's put.
It's crazy. It looks aggressive as.
Bro, that color choice is insane. That shit was good, especially with the BBSs.
Yeah, I feel like you can see like the body lines way more is this.
The body lines look tough, bro.
That's what I'm saying. It just looks super aggressive, like way more aggressive than just the natural color. Natural color was cool, but I just think this brings even the rims out more, like the carbon out more, like everything just pops.
Everything pops.
Now this is crazy. This is nuts, bro.
It's crazy because when we first got our R8, Hicks came to the shop and we're like, what color should we wrap it? And he pumped up this color and he's like, you guys should do this color.
Yeah, bro, this color looks crazy.
Bro, you never see these BBSs on an R8. Yeah, never. It's first ever, right? I think so.
Yeah.
And that twin turbo kit next, bro, that shit gonna go crazy.
I can't wait to do that. Dude, I want to do it like when it gets a little cold, so the boost is really hitting like October, November type.
Yours is all-wheel drive too, right?
Yeah. It's crazy though, cause all the ones that make the record breaking speeds are all rear-wheel drive.
They're rear-wheel drive.
All of them.
Yeah.
I found that out after. I was like, damn.
That's what I was telling Chris too, cause he's like, we're about to make 1500 an hour is rear-wheel drive, and I'm like, the fastest ones are rear-wheel drive. You know,
all of them.
Crazy.
Literally everyone that beat records are all rear-wheel drive cars. It makes sense though. It's just again, that shit's just moving.
If you get the suspension to work, shit's fucking.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, if you get that shit dialed in, bro, this shit's teleport.
Fucking, your video went crazy.
That shit like 350K. That shit's going nuts. Yeah, I'm.
Kind of what, like 2 days?
Now it's at 5 days. Yeah, that's going crazy. Like I didn't post in a month, so I'm like, that's probably gonna the video up, but it should do like good. But I think it was gonna do this good. I was like, bro, what the?
Did you think maybe like 100?
I thought kind of like 100. Yeah. Then it got 100 in like the first day. I was like, damn.
Literally first 24. I remember I texted you. I'm like, bro, what the?
Let's go. That was moving. I was like, oh man,
shit was goated, bro.
Because for not posting for a month, I was like, damn, they're not gonna push the video out, and then
yeah, it's not gonna get that much attention.
Now I'm about to post another video. I think tomorrow. That
yeah, I should get all the motion from this video. Hell yeah.
I was like, oh, a lot of new people are going to this channel. Let's push out his videos.
Gotta stay consistent, bro.
Yeah, I know. That's why I did that video on this video, and then the G80 video I already filmed the beginning of it.
We'll get content too, so if you want to throw in like that, like
I told Chris I want to be here too for the low, so just to chill. But the super videos, well, I'm close.
Bro, that one's gonna be crazy, dog.
Yeah, people are not expecting that.
That's like first time ever done.
That's crazy because everybody loves my super. I think some people are gonna feel away, but I'm gonna make it look crazy.
Dog, this shit mean though.
Right? Especially when you pulled up right here, I was like,
it looked so much more aggressive.
Yeah, I know. You see the body line thing. That's what I like. On the road, this look crazy.
Yeah, rolling is crazy. Huh?
Amazing, yeah.
DVS. Alright, we're gonna get some of the board reactions like Phil Ronnie.
Yeah, but yes.
I just feel wrong with the way they get pattern.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Have you ever put your cars on the track?
Nah, I don't really like the track too much. That's not my thing.
What car modifications would you never do to your car?
Butterfly doors. Yeah, that's bad. That's horrible.
If your garage caught fire and you could only save one of your cars, which one would it be?
G82.
Why?
Fastest one.
Which car gives you the most issues or maintenance headaches?
I ain't gonna lie, they all have been good. The only one that's been annoying is the Supra because the wheels, but that's not really, that's my fault.
If you had to sell one car today, which would go and why?
R8, slowest one.
This race car, they bring it in for Ashen Gray PPF. The guys over at Pure went ahead and wrapped the whole car. You guys see the part is equipped with some PBSs or LMs, huh?
There's the one that everybody don't have. B89s. It's the first R8 this gen to do them on this. They only did it in the older gen. No R8 has these on this gen, has these wheels.
These equipped with some DBS wheels. Why did you go with this wheels?
Nobody had them, so it's like a 101 of this generation.
So that's you like that exclusive part of it.
Yeah.
And then it's also lowered with some coilovers. He also went ahead and put some carbon fiber onto it. So he did the lid, fuser.
The side skirts came OEM. These are OEM from factory.
But the wing, you did add that, right?
Yeah. And then the diffuser is OEM from factory.
The wing is aftermarket, the lip is aftermarket. So I think that this wrap is actually what's missing on this car. Crazy aggressive.
And also, when we wrap cars, we do this. We don't cheap out nowhere. You gotta get the door used. Always. Can't open your R8. It's gray on the outside. You open it white on the inside.
That's
we
a
don't do
no-go.
that. Yeah, no, it has to match everywhere. I don't want to open the door and your color is different. Just wrap the original color at that point.
So what do you think? What do you think about the final result?
Bro, I'm hyped. This looks way better than what it used to. The other shit was like cool, but this looks like now it's like my own swag. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like now it's like my R8. The other was the color was from the factory, so now it's like my R8. That's why I like it.
My God.
Yeah, I was going to see what you think.
This shit look ridiculous.
I wanted to do something to my because I ain't gonna lie, I haven't shown my car mad love in like a long ass time.
Hey, this is a whole pad like right here.
There's another crib, yeah.
Oh, it's another.
Yeah, this. No, you want to see the crib?
Maybe next time. I know you guys are just moving in.